Hey, what's going on? Friday wrap-up time. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry I missed you last week. Was in Virginia for daughter's college graduation, and nothing will make you feel older than when your firstborn graduates from college. So that was fun. It was obviously emotional. It was a tough, tough week and happy week. We're super proud of her. Let's jump back into the rates. While I was gone, last week was super ugly. It's been ugly for a couple of weeks. This is the 10-year Treasury. So if you're new to the video series, the higher this goes on the chart, the higher the rates, because rates follow the 10-year Treasury. This was like May 7th, May 6th, 8th, something like that. You can see this dramatic run up, and that was obviously oil prices are higher. We know that we're paying it at the pump, but now inflation fears have creeped back in, so the investors are freaking out. And so that's driving up the 10-year Treasury because they're afraid that inflation is going to come back into the economy more so than it has been and make things even more expensive. So basically, oil, as we know, is just in about everything. So the investors are fearful of everything is going to go up in price. Hence the run up on the 10-year Treasury, 453. Now, at the end of February, before we went into Iran, we were at 395, and rates were cracking 6%, 5.99. That's a 60 basis point swing. That is a big difference between where we were and where we are currently. This is mortgage-backed securities. This chart's inverted, and here's a dramatic drop-off. We are recovering today. We are trying to get back to it, but we've got a ways to go. Let me move myself out of the way. I think this was the 7th. Yeah, this is where we were before we went into Iran. Dramatic upswing, trying to rebound, almost made it, and now here we are. So it's more of the same. I think that the dialogue continues with the clients that would say, I'm going to wait till rates come down. Well, how much longer are you going to wait? Because home prices are still going up in value. The latest report I saw was last year, 2.5% home prices increased. Obviously depends on the neighborhood. I know there's some areas of your town where things are softening a little bit, but quite frankly, the most recent appraisals I've gotten in the first quarter up through April, appraisals are coming in at value, if not over. I'm not seeing undervalued on the appraisal versus purchase price. So I think that the buyers need to start to understand and realize home prices are going to continue to rise. So I'm not going to beat a dead horse. You guys know all that, but I think we really have to, I don't want to say brainwash our clients, but undo the brainwashing they're getting from the media. Also, and most importantly, end of next month, about a month from now, I'm bringing in a top AI strategist, coach, professional, if you will. Julie is phenomenal at what she does. Every time I listen to her speak or watch read one of her emails, I'm blown away by what's happening. She's been working in the AI space for 20 plus years. She knows her stuff. Hope you can make it. I will be disseminating out information on that webinar here in the next week. So look for that. If you got questions, you want to know more about it, let me know. In the meantime, I'll be around all weekend if you need a quick pre-approval, or of course, if your client can't get a hold of the lender, I'm always around. See ya.